Welcome to Kotlin Basics. Today, you'll write and understand your very first Kotlin program. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what every part of the Hello World program means and how it works. Let's dive in. Here's the complete Hello World program in Kotlin. It's just 3 lines of code. The first line says fun main with empty parentheses. The second line calls println with the text hello, world in quotes. And the third line closes with a curly brace. Simple, right? Now let's break down each component to understand what's happening. The keyword fun is how you declare a function in Kotlin. Think of a function as a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Whenever you want to create a function in Kotlin, you start with the fun keyword. It tells the compiler that what follows is a function definition. After the fun keyword comes main, which is the name of the function. Main is special because it serves as the entry point of every Kotlin program. When you run your program, the Kotlin runtime looks for the main function and starts executing code from there. Without main, your program won't know where to begin. The empty parentheses after main indicate that this function takes no parameters. Parameters are inputs that a function can accept, but for now, main doesn't need any. The curly braces define the function body. Everything you write between the opening and closing braces is the code that will be executed when the function runs. Inside the main function, we call println. This is a built-in Kotlin function that prints text to the console. The ln at the end stands for line, meaning it automatically adds a line break after printing. So when you run the program, your text appears and the cursor moves to the next line. The text hello, world is enclosed in double quotes. This makes it a string literal, which is how you represent text data in Kotlin. The double quotes tell Kotlin that everything inside should be treated as exact characters to display, not as code to execute. You can put any text you want between those quotes. Let's see how this all comes together. First, when you run the program, Kotlin finds the main function and starts there. Second, it executes the code inside, which is the println call with your string. Finally, the output appears in the console showing hello, world And that's your first Kotlin program. You now understand every single part of it. Practice writing this yourself and try changing the text to see what happens. Happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.